nature holds secrets that defy imagination, phenomena so strange they seem plucked from fantasy. But what if we told you these wonders are real and happening right now? These aren't scenes from fantasy novels. They're real phenomena that scientists are still working to fully understand. In this eye-opening journey, we'll reveal nature's 10 most jaw-dropping performances, where reality outshines fantasy. These phenomena deserve to be seen. Subscribe to Information Thin to ensure you never miss our future nature revelations. You think you know Earth? Number 8 says, think again. Number 10. Monarch Migration. This incredible journey spans 4 generations of butterflies, with no single insect completing the full round trip. The returning butterflies navigate using a sun compass in their antennae and can detect the Earth's magnetic field. Researchers have found that urbanization disrupts their flight paths, with city lights causing dangerous detours. Conservation efforts include planting milkweed corridors along migration routes, as this is the only plant monarch caterpillars will eat. The butterflies' overwintering sites were only discovered by scientists in 1975, hidden high in Mexico's transverse neovolcanic range. Number 9. Foxfire. The glow results from a chemical reaction where luciferase enzymes break down luciferin compounds similar to fireflies, but with different chemistry. Early American settlers used the glowing fungus to mark trails at night, calling it fairy fire. Modern scientists are studying these fungi for potential applications in medical imaging and pollution detection. The bioluminescence appears brightest when the surrounding temperature is between 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, and typically lasts for about 3 days per fungal growth. Some species only glow when disturbed, possibly as a defense mechanism to attract insects that will spread their spores. Number 8. Sky mirror. The salt crust beneath the water is up to 30 feet thick in places, containing about 10 billion tons of salt. During the dry season, the surface forms hexagonal cracking patterns due to the salt's crystalline structure. The flatness is so precise that NASA uses it to calibrate satellites' altimeters with millimeter accuracy. Local hotels build entire structures from salt blocks, including tables and beds, taking advantage of the abundant material. At night, the reflection of stars creates an unparalleled stargazing experience that astronomers call walking through the cosmos. Number 7. Sailing stones. The trails can stretch up to 1,500 feet long and sometimes make sharp 90-degree turns. Researchers attached GPS trackers to some stones and recorded movements as fast as 15 feet per minute under ideal conditions. The playa's surface is so flat that the southern end is only 1.5 inches higher than the northern end across its 2.8-mile length. During summer, temperatures on the dark stones can reach 54 degrees Celsius, while winter nights may plunge below freezing, creating the perfect conditions for the ice-assisted movement. Number 6. Marble caves. The marble's swirling patterns result from mineral impurities like clay and silt that were folded into the stone during its formation. During spring snowmelt, water levels can rise 6 feet, completely submerging some cave passages. The caves change color throughout the day, appearing deep blue in morning light and shifting to emerald green by afternoon. Local guides report that the best viewing occurs in October, when water levels are low and sunlight angles create the most dramatic illumination of the cave walls. Scientists estimate the marble formation dates back 300 million years, when tectonic forces first uplifted the Andes Mountains. The caves continue evolving today, with waves adding new sculptural details to the walls each year, a natural art exhibit in constant creation. Number 5. Canada's Spotted Lake. The spots form distinct borders because each pool has different mineral concentrations, creating osmotic pressure that maintains separation. During World War I, the lake's minerals were harvested for making ammunition. The First Nations people negotiated to have the site protected in 2001 after nearly a century of commercial exploitation. Scientists have identified at least 15 different minerals in the lake, including some of the highest natural concentrations of titanium and silver ever recorded in freshwater. The colors intensify throughout summer as evaporation concentrates the minerals. Deep blues indicate magnesium sulfate, while yellows reveal sulfur deposits. Visitors can view the lake from a designated platform, as the delicate mineral crust remains protected from direct foot traffic year-round. Number 4. Square waves. This phenomenon is most common where shallow coastal shelves meet deeper ocean waters, creating the right conditions for wave refraction. The Isle de Ray's location, where Atlantic currents meet continental shelf waters, makes it particularly prone to these formations. Maritime authorities issue warnings when cross seas appear, as they can generate rogue waves up to 10 feet tall. Surprisingly, surfers sometimes seek out these conditions for the unique challenge they present, though it requires expert-level skills to navigate safely. The grid-like pattern occurs when two wave systems continue moving in their original directions despite changing wind patterns, a rare persistence of wave energy. Satellite imagery has shown these square wave formations can extend over 50 square miles under ideal weather conditions, creating one of the ocean's most surreal visual effects. Number 3. Water spout. There are two types: fair weather spouts that form in calm conditions and tornadic spouts associated with severe storms. The largest recorded water spout reached 1.5 miles in height off the coast of Australia in 2015. Fishermen in the Caribbean have reported schools of fish being lifted from the water and dropped inland during powerful spouts. Climate scientists note that warming sea surface temperatures may be increasing their frequency in some regions, with the Mediterranean seeing a 15% rise in occurrences over the past decade. Number 2. Brine pools. The brine is so dense that research submarines can actually float on its surface like a boat on water. Some pools contain methane gas that forms icy hydrate crystals when it contacts the cold brine. Scientists have discovered unique chemosynthetic ecosystems around the edges where bacteria convert the toxic chemicals into energy. The largest known brine pool in the Gulf of Mexico covers about 10 square miles and has a distinct shoreline complete with beaches of accumulated salt crystals.